it's Kows. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a get ready with me. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my everyday makeup look using very minimal products. This is perfect for school and it's work appropriate. If you guys want to know how I achieve this makeup look, just keep on watching. So I went ahead and moisturized my face using some vitamin E oil, and next I'm going to go ahead and use a primer. The primer that I'm using is the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. So once we have all that blended out, I'm going to go ahead and use my color corrector. This is the LA Pro Concealer in the orange shade. I'm using that around my mouth area and chin. Foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 335 Classic Tan. This is matte, which is why I went and moisturized my face thoroughly before applying this, because I don't want to look like my face is flaking. I'm going to use a foundation brush. This one is used and abused. It's from Kowsariska. I've had it for quite a while, but I guess the job does that. And the concealer that I'll be using today is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. Just applying a very little amount because this is such a thick concealer and it's very bright. And a little bit goes a long way, so I'm just using a very tiny amount. And another trick to getting your foundation or concealer even more flawless is to switch back from eye to eye, so that the concealer on one eye doesn't sit longer, because if it sits longer on one side, it gets thicker and heavier and it appears to be a lot more full coverage on that side. So just bounce back from one eye to another. Alright, so I'm going to set that really quickly. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's almost gone, and I'm so happy that I'm able to say that I'm almost done with this product because I've had it for so long. I'm not sure if a lot of people do this, but I love spraying my face in between my makeup. So and I'm very generous with this stuff. I'm using the Mario Badescu just to get rid of that cakiness left behind from the translucent powder. So next I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and use some translucent powder on my eyebrows to mattify it, because right now they are feeling a little greasy. Now that we're done with our eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'm using the Becca x Chrissy Teigen face palette. This palette is so bomb. As you guys can see, we have highlighters and blush and a bronzer type thing in here. So I'm using just this palette to finish my face. So I'm going to go ahead and use the bronzer. The bronzer in this palette is called Malibu Soleil. I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm using the blush in the palette, and it's called Hibiscus Bloom. I'm using one of my Real Techniques brushes also. It's such a nice sheer color, but you can also build that up, which is a bonus. You don't want to look like a clown with the first try. Lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and use both of the highlighters and just mix it. I'm using a tapered brush from Morphe. This is the M330. This is actually supposed to be for your eyeshadow, but it's so tiny and perfect that sometimes I use this as a highlighter brush. For my mascaras, I'm using two. I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit and a Lancome mascara. What is this called? I think this is called Big is the New Black. I'm not really sure. But this is what it looks like if you guys want to try it. I love this Lancome mascara. It's so volumizing. And it's perfect to pair with the Benefit one. I'm going to go ahead and use the Roller Lash mascara next. And here comes my favorite part. I'm actually stuck between these two shades. This one is from MAC and this is Heroin. It's such a true vibrant purple color. The next one is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So guys, that is the end of this makeup tutorial. This is my everyday makeup look, especially if I'm going to work or if I'm going to school. I just don't wear such a bright lip color. Sometimes I just opt for a clear or a nude lip gloss or lipstick. But that is the end of this makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this, get ready with me. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!